hop out the cut like hello there. Roll with some niggas who don't care. Please nigga, let's not go there. Pull up on a nigga like, oh yeah. These niggas had the audacity to talk down on Blake, that's blasphemy. I just make the motherfucking beat just so I can eat. I ain't consume enough calories. Pull up on the scene and the nigga go dumb. Pull up on the scene like dun 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 dun. Creep down your block like FIFA for fun. It's that nigga Blake and Mateo son. Doof 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 down your block on alert. It's a hoe full of niggas, black mask and a smirk. But niggas get greedy like me on the verse. These niggas all pussy, I'm just getting under their skirts. These boys hella weak, these niggas are flexing. I teach them a lesson, if you play it get hectic. These actors are drama like Young and the Restless. I don't think these niggas really comprehending my message. Wait, it's hot as hell in Texas, but like my vision's about to freeze. This rap shit's my Call of Duty, and my flows like on Prestige. Got that bitch all on her knees. Tree got me feeling like this make-believe. Blow, leave them with their hands on their chest like my country tis of thee. They wonder why niggas so mean. Nigga wreck shop and I'm only 17. I don't really see nobody fucking with my team. All that shit I spit is dope, turning all y'all into fiends, nigga.
All my niggas is ruthless, ruthless. All my niggas get stupid, stupid. Smoke blunt, bitch, get clueless, clueless. Nigga talk shit, teeth toothless, toothless. But all my niggas is ruthless, ruthless. All my niggas get stupid, stupid. Smoke blunt, bitch, get clueless.